Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm your home for quick tech fixes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's solve problems together.
Hey, everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to turn off family-friendly mode in Clash Royale. First of all, open the Clash Royale app on your device, then sign in to your account. I have already signed in. After that, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Next, tap the settings option, then tap on more settings. Now here's the important part. In reality, there's no way to turn off family-friendly. Once a clan is marked as family-friendly, it becomes permanent. That means you can't disable or remove it later. So if you want to change it, there's only one option. Go to the clan section and tap the show option. Then join another clan or create a new one that doesn't have the family-friendly tag. How can you tell if a clan is marked as family-friendly? Black small square, look below the clan's name and description. If you see a green label that says family-friendly, black small square, it means the clan is marked as such. If that label isn't there, the clan is not family-friendly. So if you don't want your clan to be family-friendly, there's only one solution. Join or create a clan that doesn't have the family-friendly label. And that's everything you need to know about the family-friendly setting in Clash Royale. Thanks for watching another video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.